Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maureen, and this is my weekly vlog series where I walk you through my everyday life through sewing and creating and running a small business and just living my life pretty much. So today is Monday, January 13th, and I am giving you guys a glimpse into what it's like to film a sew-along. I'm currently working on the sew-along for my Nomi pattern, and yes, that is my phone in the tripod. So I actually film on a number of devices between my phone and my other cameras, whatever gets the job done, to make sure that you guys have the best angles and views possible. And yes, sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but it is something that I love to do. Because I want to show you all the other markings that I did. Happy Wednesday, y'all. So I have some appointments to get to and some errands to run. So I am wearing a sweatshirt and pants, really a tracksuit that I made last year. This is a simplicity pattern, and then this is Marcia's hoodie pattern, and then I just have on some high top sneakers to go with it. But you know, something cozy. And yeah, should be back in a few hours, and then I have to teach Zumba tonight. See y'all later. So I'm pulling out some fabric for my batch cutting video. I got this like insane idea to batch cut like 6 projects, and so I pulled out this pre-quilted fabric here, and I'm gonna make a coat out of that, and I believe the coat is live now, and this is gonna be Joe's shacket. And as of today, the shacket is pretty much done. I'm still editing the sew along for that. And then I also pulled out this sweatshirt fleece that I had, that I am going to try and finish before Valentine's Day. And then I also pulled out this black twill fabric that I know I won't get to until after Valentine's Day. So if you haven't had a chance to watch that batch cutting video, definitely check it out. You guys will get to see a sneak preview of all of these projects and a little bit more. Hey, good morning. So it is Saturday, January 25th, and I need to work on some orders that have come in over the last few days, and I'm super grateful for it, but I gotta get started. I can't procrastinate anymore. And then hopefully by the end of the week, I can actually launch or post or drop, however we say it now, my Black History Month pattern weights. It took me a while to like figure out the design I wanted to go for, but I got it up here. I just need like some clarity on some things, so I'm gonna be doing that. And I also got some new molds. I actually bought these like a few months ago, but we have like a hexagon, a square, and a circle. So the wheels are turning as far as like how I want to use those. But let's go ahead and get started on these orders. Hey y'all, so this weekend I really want to work on mending and altering some clothes that are just piling up. Like I literally have clothes from neighbors. I haven't been holding my neighbors' clothes that long, like a week and a half. I need to tighten up. Okay, anyway, so I've been holding on to clothes for me that I need to mend, clothes for Joe, clothes for my neighbors that I need to fix. So I am gonna start with fixing these pants. I'll pop up in the screen what they are. This is like a Nomi pattern I made back in 2023, November 2023, and they can be a little bit tighter. Like, they're a little loose back there. And I actually made a denim pair that I added elastic to the back to because my weight was going up and down and stuff. And so I'm going to do the same with these. I'm going to add some elastic to the back here to kind of cinch that in and kind of give me a little bit more booty. I'm just going to put in a little piece here on the elastic and see how it goes, and I'll report back. Okay, so before I unpick this, can we just talk about how adorable these are? Like, my former self is just so cute with the leopard. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna unpick this here, and then on these side seams here, I'm gonna open these up, and I'm gonna add elastic here and on this side here, and then we're gonna close her back up. So let's see if we can do this. Okay. All right. So I have opened that seam up, and it's clean, it's good to go. Let's try and add that elastic. So here I am trying to demonstrate how I'm doing this, but basically I am trying to attach the elastic from side seam to side seam, so I literally measured half of my waist. I did a better job of measuring this with like off camera, but I was just trying to make sure y'all saw the angle. So now I am attaching the elastic to one side seam. I'm going to put a pin in that to secure it, and then I'm going to go to the other side of the waistband and do the same thing. All the way over here. I'm going to put a pin as well. It's so crazy how once you fix something, how much time it doesn't take. Okay, so we've got one on this side, and it's okay if it like is a little resistant here. We want that resistance. And then right here on this side, so I'm literally gonna do a zigzag stitch here and a zigzag stitch here, and then I'm gonna close it back up, sew it up, and I should be good to go. So I did a few stitches forward and backwards on either side here. This looks really good. I'm going to try these on to make sure that they are snug or snugger. Okay, so I also have these pants on with like 2 different pairs of shoes, so it's kind of like I'm a little weeble wobbly. But if we look at the back, obviously I've got to sew this down, but they fit better across here. So I am going to close this up, and I may have to do like a couple of like rows of stitching on top of the elastic to keep it in place, which is fine. But for the most part, I feel more secure in these, and I'll probably wear them a little bit more this year because they fit better on my waist. Yeah. So Joe and I are working on eating a lot healthier this year, and we didn't start quite at January 1st. We started right here at this grocery trip. So we got a couple of different fruits and protein and veggies, and we've been like experimenting with different recipes all week. So I'm gonna just take you through some of the things that we did cook, and if you guys want to see some of that here, let me know. It's been fun to explore new recipes. So today I'm working on my pre-quilted coat, McCall's 8438, and I am currently working on a full video for this coat and a couple of other makes that I'm working on. So be on the lookout for that. But I did want to give you guys a sneak peek here because it was something that I worked on throughout January, and I really love it, and I'm just proud of it. I don't get to make outerwear a lot because of where I live, but when I do, I really like to enjoy that process. Is it just me or it's giving wicked? Like, this custom order was so cool. I really enjoyed working on these, and I love how they turned out. So I actually got a couple of photos of them before I sent them off, and I've gone ahead and I've added them to the shop. So if you're interested in getting these, go ahead and check them out. I've also added in my Black History Month pattern weights as well, along with a couple of other great deals like free shipping on select pattern weights throughout the month of February. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. Now, I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all next time. All right, take care.